In this video, we will go over how to use the parallax function. First of all, I would like to preface that the parallax function is not for beginner users. Please first understand how to use all of the major elements before you attempt using parallax. Parallax changes an object's design according to your interaction with the website, usually scrolling or the location of your mouse. We have a parallax animation that changes according to how you scroll on a page. To add parallax to an element, right-click and click Add Parallax Animation. It's important to note that a parallax animation is for desktop only. You will see three different objects when adding parallax. Your original object, a start line, and a finish line. This is where the object will go. To view parallax, go to Preview. You will see that as we scroll, the object moves to its end location. And when you scroll back up, it goes to its beginning location. When the page reaches this line, the animation starts. You can change the animation by dragging the Motion 1 box somewhere else. Now when we scroll, it goes upwards. To show how this works, we're going to do two objects. We're going to have two objects with the same parallax, except this one will have a speed of 3. You will see that as you scroll, the one with the higher speed does the animation quicker. You can add effects to parallax by clicking Add Effect. These effects include rotating, fading, and scaling. If you have questions about delay, please submit a help ticket to a designer for them to show you in greater detail. But the main ones you will use are rotate, fade to, and scale. If we click Fade to on this object, you will see that in the beginning it does not appear, but as the animation completes, it fades to 100%. If you click Rotate, you can show the amount of degrees you want it to rotate. As you will see, it rotated a full 360 degrees. If you click Scale, it will scale it to the percentage that you designate. So this got 150% bigger. If you want to add another motion path, click Add Motion Path and designate where it goes. You will then see, as you scroll, the object will go to the location you designate. With careful planning, you can make parallax animations do amazing things. Parallax animations are still in the beta and may not always work as they should. If you have any problems, please submit a help ticket so that we can make sure that this tool continues to improve. It's also important to note that if an object has parallax animation, it will always be in front. The only way to have an element be in front of a parallax element is to give it that parallax animation as well. If you don't want it to do anything, just make the end box or Motion 1 box in the same place as where it started, so that when the animations occur, the object does not move. It's important to note that parallax objects can go in front of objects that have a pinned position, because they, in a sense, are a pinned position. If we add a parallax animation to this object, you will see that as you scroll, the object now floats above our pinned menu. To fix this problem, just make sure that you arrange the menu to the front and arrange this object to the back. By doing that, animated objects will go behind pinned objects.